Hi guys, welcome to another Theodoro Kitchen Lab. Today we're gonna do spaghetti with tomato sauce. In order to do that, we're gonna need 1.5 kilograms of ripened tomatoes, 1 small to medium white onion, 2 buds of basil, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. You can use also white sugar if you don't have brown or you don't like brown, 2 cloves of garlic and 1 bay leaf. So guys, let's get right into our recipe. We're gonna start by chopping the onion. So actually for this recipe we're just gonna slice it because at the end we're gonna blend the whole tomato sauce with the food processor. So just slice it. That's it, perfect. Same thing we're gonna do with the garlic. Like just cut the top, smash it like this and chop it. Yep, that's it. So Artist Foods olive oil. And we go in with the onion. Perfect. So give it a stir and let it caramelize a little bit. Medium heat, not too high. We don't want it burnt. We want it caramelized. Cook it for a couple minutes and add the garlic all together. So this is it. Start to smell nicely. Just make sure that you are not gonna burn it. And this is gonna give a very nice base for our tomato sauce. I'm going in with my garlic. You see, start getting sweat, but not burn. So naturally and slowly with the heat, it's gonna start releasing the sugar that the onion have in it. And it's gonna give us that nice and golden brown color that we're looking for. In the meantime, let's just like roughly chop the tomatoes. In that case, I just use any tomato that I don't like for my salad or raw. So we start putting the tomatoes in. So this for 4 people, so approximately 1.5 kilograms of tomatoes is gonna give us tomato sauce for 4 people. Don't worry about the size, it will go down when they cook, and most of them is gonna be liquid. So yes, we go in with 1 tablespoon of brown sugar and the basil as it is. The bay leaf, we're gonna put it when this is gonna be more liquid. So this is what we're looking for. This is gonna be our beautiful sauce, tomato sauce. Nice. I'm gonna put a little bit salt to help it break down. So guys, it starts boiling, you see, like it take out the liquid of the tomato. They start getting soft. So right now we're gonna add the bay leaf, and we're gonna leave it to simmer for approximately 45 minutes to 1 hour. We're gonna check it again. If it's nice and cooked, remember we're gonna pass it through the food processor. So we just want them to break down and cook evenly. So see you in an hour. So guys, we're back. Tomato sauce is ready. It took us approximately 45 minutes. So this is how we want the consistency. Don't worry about the chunky pieces and stuff. If you like it, you can eat it as it is. I prefer everything like blended, where this goes. And we're just gonna put it in. Not too much at the time. And we're gonna blend it slowly. So, this is how it's gonna look at the end. Check the seasoning before you blend it. That's the good stuff. Homemade tomato sauce. I changed color from red. First of all, because the tomatoes are real, so the real tomato is never like to be red. And second, because it took oxygen from the process. So that's the color. So I put it back in my pot. We let it take a boil, and I already have the pasta boiled, so we're gonna add the pasta in, and we are ready to serve. So the pasta goes in, spaghetti. So this is our beautiful tomato sauce with spaghetti. Nice, creamy. You see? Oh my goodness. We leave it to take to warm up a little bit, and we're gonna cut the basil. I like it finely chopped, lengthwise. Perfect. So here we are ready. So stir this very well. Twist it nicely. So this is our beautiful pasta with tomato sauce. A little bit like nice basil. And this is nice, simple, light. You don't need nothing else. It's perfect. So I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Try the recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'm gonna see you in the next kitchen lab. Thank you.